welcome back to our channel where we delve into the world of technology and innovation. In today's episode, we have something truly special for you. We're going to unveil the top 5 revolutionary tools that are transforming industries and shaping the future. These tools are pushing the boundaries of what's possible and redefining the way we live and work. So get ready to witness the cutting-edge advancements that are propelling us into a new era of possibilities. Even Arnold couldn't have predicted these. Oh, that was a bad one. Sorry, guys. Anyways, without further ado, let's jump right in and discover the game changers that are revolutionizing the way we're getting the job done. Kicking off our list of revolutionary tools is the GENIUSBOT 3000. It sounds like something out of Jimmy Neutron, but this cutting-edge robotic assistant combines the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning to perform complex tasks with unrivaled precision and efficiency. Whether it's on assembly lines or in medical procedures, the GENIUSBOT 3000 is reshaping industries worldwide. Its remarkable ability to learn and adapt allows it to handle intricate operations with minimal human intervention, resulting in heightened productivity and a significant reduction in errors. Just imagine a feature where the GENIUSBOT 3000 assists surgeons during delicate procedures, providing unparalleled accuracy and reducing the risk of human error. In manufacturing, this intelligent assistant streamlines production processes, ensuring seamless operations and optimal resource utilization. So for real, you gotta keep an eye out for the GENIUSBOT 3000 as it revolutionizes industries and transforms the way we work. Its potential knows no bounds, and the possibilities it unlocks are truly awe-inspiring. Like, please, could we have a collaboration with GENIUSBOT 3000 and Andre 3000? No? Okay. Well, look, stay tuned as we explore the next revolutionary tool on our list. Our next tool takes us to the skies, the remarkable world of autonomous drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles are no longer limited to capturing breathtaking aerial footage. They've become invaluable assets in a multitude of industries. With advanced sensors and intelligent algorithms, autonomous drones are now capable of navigating complex environments with ease. We've come a really long way since those loud, angry, bird-looking things crashed in your yard. This newfound autonomy has transformed industries such as infrastructure inspections, disaster management, and even package delivery, unleashing a new era of aerial innovation. Just imagine a scenario where autonomous drones inspect towering bridges, power lines, pipelines, detecting potential issues before they escalate. I mean, who wants to crawl into a sewer and inspect it just to find out that there wasn't anything wrong with it at all? Their ability to access hard-to-reach locations and capture high-resolution images provides invaluable data for maintenance and safety purposes. And autonomous drones aren't just tools of convenience. No, they have the power to revolutionize industries, enhance efficiency, and save lives. With ongoing advancements in AI, machine learning, and obstacle detection technology, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications for these aerial wonders in the near future. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's just your drone saving your life. Hey, buddy, yeah, you. We know you're enjoying our content, so be sure to smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, hey, we appreciate you, thank you. Now just like our video, share it, and, yeah, you guessed it, leave us a comment below. Back to the tech. Okay, so this one's not really new, but we felt it worth mentioning. Virtual reality, or VR if you're in the know. In recent years, VR technology has made incredible advancements, offering immersive experiences that push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Whether it's exploring far-flung places, undergoing realistic training simulations, or engaging in interactive storytelling, VR has the power to transport us to entirely new realms. Imagine walking through ancient civilizations, standing on the surface of Mars, or swimming with majestic underwater creatures, all from the comfort of your own home. Bill, you don't need to break into the aquarium anymore. You gotta stop doing that. In the field of education, VR is transforming the way we learn. Students can dive into immersive historical reenactments, participate in virtual science experiments, or even explore the human body in intricate detail. This technology brings subjects to life, making learning engaging, interactive, and memorable. VR also holds immense potential in the realm of healthcare. It enables doctors to practice complex surgeries in virtual operating rooms, allowing for improved precision and reducing risks. Additionally, it can help treat phobias and mental health conditions by exposing individuals to virtual environments that gradually desensitize them to their fears. We can have virtual immersion therapy, guys! And let's not forget about the entertainment industry. I mean, VR opens up a whole new dimension of gaming experiences where players are fully immersed in the action, from thrilling adventures to realistic sports simulations. I can't go back in time and give a wedgie to my high school bully yet, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Anyways, the possibilities are pretty much endless. Another game changer on our list, blockchain technology. Look, blockchain has emerged as a revolutionary tool that ensures transparency, security, and efficiency across various sectors. In the financial sector, blockchain enables secure and near instantaneous transactions without the need for traditional intermediaries like banks. It has the potential to revolutionize remittances, cross-border payments, and even the concept of digital currencies. Bitcoin peeps, where you at? Making financial transactions more efficient and accessible for everyone. And as blockchain technology continues to evolve, we can expect even greater advancements and widespread adoption. It holds the promise of revolutionizing industries, empowering individuals, and transforming the way we interact and conduct business. Boy, that sounded smart there. Last, but certainly not least, we've reached the pinnacle of our list. Artificial intelligence. Yeah, you knew AI was coming. Contrary to popular belief, AI is not about replacing humans, although it might happen. It's about amplifying our capabilities and intelligence. We're evolving here, people. Yeah, it sucks a little bit, it hurts a little bit, but it's for the betterment of society. AI-powered tools are revolutionizing various fields, from data analysis and customer service to decision-making processes. With their ability to process vast amounts of information quickly and accurately, AI systems unlock new insights, fuel innovation, and drive progress like never before. In data analysis, AI algorithms can sift through enormous data sets, identifying patterns, correlations, and trends that humans may miss. This enhanced analytical capability empowers businesses and researchers to make data-driven decisions and uncover hidden opportunities. Customer service has also undergone a transformation with the integration of AI. Chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI can engage in natural language conversations, providing instant support and personalized assistance to customers. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also frees up human agents to focus on more complex tasks. Moreover, AI's impact extends to decision-making processes. By analyzing vast amounts of data and considering multiple variables, AI systems can provide valuable insights and predictions, aiding in strategic planning and risk assessment. This enables businesses and organizations to make informed choices that drive growth and mitigate potential pitfalls. So yeah, when you call customer service and have to scream into the receiver, that's AI at its finest. Beyond these applications, AI is making significant contributions in fields such as healthcare, autonomous vehicles, and even creative endeavors like music and art. Guys, the potential for AI to reshape our world is vast, and we're only scratching the surface of its capabilities.
I think the girls with their nails done now.